Welcome to our YouTube video on riveting. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what riveting is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Riveting is a permanent fastening process that joins two or more materials together by inserting a metal pin, called a rivet, through aligned holes and deforming its end to hold the parts securely. Think of riveting like buttoning a coat and then flattening the button so it never comes undone. The rivet locks the materials tightly in place. So, why is riveting so important? Because it provides strong, durable joints without the need for heat or welding. It has been widely used in aircraft, bridges, shipbuilding, and metal structures where safety and reliability are critical. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.